Hi kids, let's learn about shapes. You will find lots of shapes everywhere all around us. Square, triangle, rectangle, circle. Shape. Let's go to class.
Square, circle, rectangle, triangle, hexagon, rhombus, oval, heart, cone, cylinder, pyramid, diamond. Say it all. Diamond, square, rectangle, circle, triangle, rhombus, cylinder, pyramid, cone, heart, oval, hexagon.
You will find lots of shapes everywhere all around us. Let's see the examples.
Square, triangle, circle, rectangle, oval, hexagon, diamond, cylinder, heart, rhombus, pyramid, cone.
Let's try again.
Circle, diamond, heart, hexagon, square, triangle, rectangle.
Hope you enjoy the video. Please subscribe for more videos.